We look at our upcoming weekend and it looks warm. Take a look at the Saturday and Sunday forecast. Temperatures in the upper 80s to near 90 degrees. A warm and dry weekend expected for Northeast Oklahoma. The 7-day forecast look for temperatures to continue to be on the warm side. Thursday 86, Friday 88, Saturday and Sunday in the upper 80s to near 90 degrees. Overnight lows in the 60s. Another strong front heads our way on Tuesday as temperatures will fall back down potentially in the 70s for highs next Tuesday and Wednesday.